Hi, I'm Elaine and welcome to my kitchen. Well, if you've ever had last-minute guests for dinner and you needed something for dessert, this is a great dessert that you can either make the night before or you can make that morning and it'll be all set and ready for you by dinner time. I'm going to show you how to make a no-bake cheesecake. Now there's a lot of different recipes for that kind of thing out there, but this is probably one of the best ones that I've ever tried. I originally got this from my daughter several years ago, and it's kind of the way I make my cheesecake. I have made it ever since because it's a good recipe. So I will be, let me turn the camera down so you can see what's going on here. Alright, almost there. There we go. There we go. Okay. So what we're going to need is 2 8-ounce packages of cream cheese. It's been softened to room temperature, and that's what I'm adding right now. And we're going to need 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. So I'm just going to add that, dump it right in. Alright, it looks pretty good. Got a little bit more in the bottom of the can I want to get out. There we go. This is a really good recipe for those little church potlucks or things like that when you need to bring some kind of a little dessert. These are really good. You could double this easily and make a big pan full, or you could make 2 pies, whatever you wanted to do. Okay, so I am going to get this mixed up and I will be right back with you as soon as I get it mixed. Okay, I have my sweetened condensed milk and my cream cheese all blended. And there's what it looks like. Okay, and now to that I am going to add 1/3 cup of lemon juice. And then we're going to add 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. So let me just put that in. Okay, a little more, but that's alright, it won't hurt anything. Okay, and now I have to mix that in, so I'll be right back with you. Okay, I have all my ingredients mixed together, and you can see how that looks in the bowl. And so what we're going to do now is I'm going to pour all this into a ready-made graham cracker crust. And you can see how quickly this mixed together. It just took a few minutes to get this mixed and ready to go. Okay, I want to make sure I get all this out because this is too good to leave any in there. Okay, let's mix that in. Uh-oh. Okay, now. Okay, let me just spread this out. And what we're going to do at this point is chill this for 4 hours or until it's firm. So when this gets firm and I am ready to add the cherries to the top of it, I will be right back with you. Okay, our cheesecake has been in the refrigerator now for about 4 hours. And let me just show you. Came out pretty nice. So I cut a piece for me and for my husband, and we are going to enjoy a piece of this cheesecake. Again, this was a no-bake cheesecake and is very, very, very easy to put together and great for when you have to have something in a hurry. So y'all have a great night, and thank you for watching. We'll see you again next time.